everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about circle skirt and I'm going to show you how to make pattern for full, 3/4, half and a quarter circle skirt, and also be giving you formula for calculating each of the skirt. We are going to see them during the course of the video, so if it's something you would love to learn, please keep on watching. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. The measurement we'll be needing for this tutorial is our waist circumference and then the skirt length, that is the length of our skirt. So these are the measurements we'll be needing for this tutorial. So for a full circle skirt, you want to take your waist circumference plus 1 inch seam allowance, and you're going to divide that by 6.28 to give you your radius, which is the formula for calculating a full circle skirt. So my waist is 26 plus 1 inch, 27 divided by 6.28, that gives me 4.2 as my radius, and I'm going to use that to mark or run. So I'm going to come to the edge of the paper here and I'm going to place my tape and mark that 4.2 or run the pattern paper on this part here. So after marking it out, I'm going to connect all these points together like this, and I'm going to go ahead to measure to see what I have there. I got 6.75, and if you multiply that by 4, it gives me 27, which is my waist measurement. So I'm going to come up from this line by half an inch for my seam allowance. The reason why we are coming up by half an inch is because we want to attach our waistband later, or attach it to the half length. So this half an inch is for our seam allowance. So the next thing is to mark the skirt length. So I'm going to come down from the radius and mark my waist length. So you decide whatever length you want to use for yours. So I'm marking 8 inches all round. So the reason why it is called a full circle skirt is because your material must be folded into 4 when you are cutting this. So always remember that when you are cutting a full circle skirt, your material must be folded into 4. We are not going to cut out this pattern paper yet. We are still going to use it to draft the remaining 3. And the next one is the 3/4 circle skirt. And the formula for calculating that is your waist circumference divided by 4.71. That will give you your radius. And my waist is 27 divided by 4.71 gives me 5.73. And I'm going to use that to mark round the pattern paper just the way we did for the first one. So I'm going to come to the top of the paper here, the edge of the paper here, and I'm going to measure the 5.73 all around this edge. So for the 3/4 circle skirt, you're not going to fold your fabric into 4 to cut. The only thing you can do is to cut them in pieces, in 3 pieces, and then join them. To be honest, cutting a 3/4 circle skirt is not easy. It is very difficult, to be honest. So I'm going to measure around this line here to see what I have there. I got 9, and 9 multiplied by 3 gives me my waist measurement, which is 27. So I'm going to come up here to mark half an inch for my seam allowance. Like I said, when cutting your 3/4 circle skirt, you can only cut in pieces, 3 different pieces to be precise, and then join. You can fold your fabric into 4 like a full circle skirt. This is what makes it 3/4 circle skirt. It is not really easy, but if you follow the formula I just said, you're going to get a good result. So I'm going to come down from the radius and mark my skirt length. So I'm going to mark 8 inches all around. So this is it for the 3/4 circle skirt. Like I said, it is not easy, but if you follow the formula I just said, you are going to get a good result. So it's something you can do. So we're not going to cut this out. We are still going to go ahead and draft the third one, which is the half circle skirt. And the formula for calculating the half circle skirt is your waist circumference divided by 3.41 to get your radius. And my waist is 27 divided by 3.41 gives me 7.91, which is my radius, and I'm going to use that to mark round the pattern paper. So I'm going to come to the edge here and mark the 7.91 all around the pattern paper. So when cutting your half circle skirt, your fabric will be folded into two, right? That is what makes it half circle skirt. Your fabric must be folded into two. So I'm going to come here to measure what I have here. So I got 13.5 multiplied by 2, that gives me 27, which is my waist measurement. So I'm going to come up here to mark half an inch for my seam allowance. I'm going to connect all these points together like this. So from the radius, I'm going to come down to mark the length of my skirt. So I'm going to mark 8 inches from the radius all around. So when you have all this formula for cutting each of these skirts stuck in your head, you won't have problem cutting a circle skirt. So it is just left for you to memorize all this formula in your head, and cutting a circle skirt will be so easy for you. So we are not going to cut it out yet. We are going to go ahead and cut the remaining one, which is the quarter circle skirt. And the formula for calculating this is your waist circumference divided by 1.57 to give you your radius, and my waist is 27 divided by 1.57 gives me 17.19 as my radius. So I'm going to go ahead and use this to mark around the pattern paper. So I'll mark the 17.19 from the edge around the pattern paper. So when cutting your quarter circle skirt, you are not going to fold your fabric, you are going to cut it as a single piece. So you're just going to place your pattern paper on your fabric and cut it as a single piece. You're not going to fold it. That is what makes it a quarter circle skirt. So this is the, we are going to connect all these points together like this. And I'm going to measure around this line to see what I have there. So I got exact 27, which is my waist measurement. So I'm going to come up here to take half an inch for my seam allowance. So like I said, when cutting your quarter circle skirt, you're just going to cut as one piece, a single piece. Your fabric must not be unfolded. So I'll go ahead and connect all these points together. So from the radius, I'm going to come down to mark my skirt length, which is 8 inches. I'm going to mark the 8 inches all around. I want to take a little time to plead with you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do wait to hit on the subscribe button. Subscription is totally free, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I drop new videos, so that you don't miss out on anything. So I'm just going to connect all these points together like this. We're almost done with the tutorial. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this pattern paper out. So for the purpose of clarity, I'm going to use a fabric to demonstrate how to cut all these different circle skirts. So make sure you stay to the end of the video so you don't miss out on it. So for the full circle skirt, you first fold your fabric into two, just the way I did, and then you fold again into 4 like this. So my fabric is now folded into 4. So where we are going to be cutting this pattern paper from is from our seam allowance. You see where I'm cutting from your seam allowance, not from the radius. So I'm going to place my pattern paper this way. Make sure the two edges of the pattern paper is touching the folded part, and then you cut. So this is how to go about it, not from the open end. Then the second one, I'm going to cut out the 3/4. Like I said earlier, when cutting the 3/4 circle skirt, you must cut in pieces, 3 different pieces, then you join. Don't fold your fabric. This is how to go about it. Half circle skirt, I'll just cut out the seam allowance and I'm going to place it on my fabric. When cutting your half circle skirt, your fabric must be folded into 2, not into 4. Fabric must be folded into 2. Then you place your pattern paper and cut just the way I did here. Then for the quarter circle skirt, which is the last one, you just go ahead and cut the seam allowance out. Then when cutting on your fabric, your material must not be on fold. Your fabric must not be on fold. You're going to cut it as a single piece. You just place your pattern paper and then you cut it out as a single piece. So this is how to go about cutting different circle skirts. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.